there are quite some milestones that we are actually proud of. The first one is the fact that in our first year of opening, we were able to get the customs license, our own customs license to use. Now, this is not quite the usual, because it requires a number of things to be in place so that you qualify for that license. But we got it in our first year of operation, and it has given us more confidence to approach clients so that we tell them, look, we are licensed, we can do things, we don't subcontract, we do things on our own. The other thing is the fact that in our first year, again, we were able to eat into the market share of the companies that have been existing for the last 2 decades in Uganda. We were able to go and get some of the big clients that they have. I have just mentioned to you the likes of Roofings, Kakira, Uganda Breweries, the big taxpayers. We are now, they're our clients, they were on our list. So that has given us confidence that yes, we are able to deliver on this. And yes, the clients also have confidence in us. So that is a milestone also, that we are able to win over business. The other is, you see, when you open up, you promise a lot. You tell clients, we are able to do this, we are Swiss, we are this and this. But then when it comes to actual delivery, you need to walk the talk. You need to show that, yes, we are delivering this. So far, we have done a number of big shipments. The Madivanis were setting up a bottling line. So we provided the logistics for moving this, everything for this bottling line. We have a French contractor in Uganda called Sogea. I don't know whether you've ever heard of them, Sogea. They are putting up a water treatment plant, the next biggest in Uganda. And they also entrusted us with their logistics. And we delivered, and not just delivering, but delivering better than their previous service provider. And their previous service provider being the oldest in the business. So then we were able also to be given a contract by Uganda Breweries, which is among the top 10 taxpayers in Uganda. Now, and when they gave us the contract, they were saying, but we are giving you, you need to match up to our standards. We came in, we did better than their standards, we delivered better than they expected. So for me, these are good achievements that I can be proud of. And our team is still small, but everybody is driving in the same direction. So that is also something I'm very proud of, to have a team that is driving in the same direction.